Hello everybody, Dave the Rave Roving the Rock here. This evening I'm in Brodick and it's dusk. This is what this part of Scotland looks like at 9 in the evening. Not quite dark, but getting there. We've got a wee bit of red sky at night there as well. I'll put the camera up here for a second and zoom in on Goatfell. There we go. Isn't that nice for the yachts in the bay and the mountains silhouetted? They look pitch black, don't they? Must be nice to be in that bay in one of those yachts just now in this lovely weather. I'd fancy that. Very relaxing. Probably got a beautiful view of the bay. And then you can hear the birds, of course. Isn't that lovely? Yep, going right past me there. Out there. Two of them chasing each other. Right. Then we've got MV Glen Sannox over there. And I'll just zoom in. Looking amazing. Wee bits of red above it, not much. Let's get that there. Just a little tinge. It's been a wonderful May weekend. Perfect weather. Rock and Blues Festival as well all weekend. That must be amazing. I think it was £68 per ticket for the 3 days and nights of music, and oh, that's money well spent. So many motorhomes and campervans up there as well. That's going to be memories, brilliant memories getting made there. Oh, there's the engines getting shut off. Job done. We've got the sound of the sea, of course. All I can smell in the air is fried food. And there's a strong smell of fried food around here. Wind's coming from behind me, so I guess it's from maybe the Douglas Hotel. Not sure. There is the fish and chip shop, but that's over to my right. The odd noise of a car there. Another bird. Very relaxing. Spin right around. Gears down there, of course. Cyclist. Douglas Hotel. Brodick Co-op. And back over here to our red sky again. Amazing, isn't it? There's a small craft going out there, somebody standing on the beach. And there's the bird, just going along the top of the sea there, making all that noise. It's going to be a lovely sunset on the other side down on the course, that's when they get it. Nice, isn't it? Very calm, bodes well for tomorrow. Of course it's a good forecast for the next few days as well. Nice dry weather. And then there's that small craft probably going out to one of the yachts, eh? Maybe going out for the night. Can't hold my camera still here. There we go. That can't be bad, can it? And that on the right, that wee blob, that's a mermaid by the way. It's a Brodick mermaid, we've got one. That's, I don't suppose they're even allowed mermaids anymore, are you? Is that something we're still allowed? I don't know. Okay, I better go. From beautiful Brodick, an amazing iron, here's Rave. Roving the rock, roving and raving about the rock. Cheers.